Hi Cryptocurrency Queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. In today's episode, I will first of all give you the update on the $100 to $1,000 account challenge that I do have. I added 4 positions since yesterday's live stream that I did have, and I'm right now in profit. I will also show you what could potentially happen right now on BTC because we are inside a sideways market. We're using support and resistance zones to see where the market can break from, and from that we can also choose to take a decision if we're gonna go in for a long or short position. We have the exact same thing happening on Ethereum. We are right now consolidating inside another level that we did consolidate before, and we saw the market have a big drop. But from here, we need to see on the lower time frames what could potentially happen, because it's always on the lower time frames the market will show you what direction the market is heading to. Don't forget, I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue looking at this video and I'll show you the update on my challenge, and we're also going to go through Bitcoin and Ethereum and what could potentially happen from here. So I'm going to give you the update that I have on the $100 to $1,000 account challenge that I am doing at the moment. And I am trading NASDAQ, and yesterday I took 3 positions and I added a 4th one a little bit later. You can see that I do have different sizes here. I got 0.02, the 4th one at 0.1, so I will change the lot sizes today when I am trading. So make sure that you are on the live stream that I do these tradings on. I have a live stream at the opening of New York session, and this is where I also go in and trade the market. So I will do the same thing from Monday to Friday, so you are more than welcome to be part of it. If you also want to trade on Prime XBT, you can right now receive a bonus up to $7,000 if you're using the link in the description down below my video. So this is exactly where it is. Prime XBT, you use Bitcoinsensus 50. This is a great platform for anyone that wants to trade cryptocurrencies, index, when it comes to forex pairs, etc. But at the moment I am only trading NASDAQ because I am more comfortable trading this pair, and you can see that the market almost came down and took my take profit at 11,470. So we will go into the chart and see where the market could potentially come to. One thing that I have in mind when we're looking at the 4 hourly on NASDAQ is that we're actually retesting the previous high at 11,475. And if we're just zooming out to the daily chart, we can see that we are overall in this moment inside some Fibonacci levels. So we are inside Fibonacci levels between 11,564 and 11,395. This is on the daily, and inside this Fibonacci you can see how the market starts to consolidate. And what also happened, remember I said on the 4 hourly we have the previous resistance level that we did break above. We saw the market retested one Fibonacci level at the 50% at 11,445. So the most important thing now is to go down to the lower time frames. First of all, what we're going to do is that we're using the Fibonacci from the last lower high with the low or higher low, and we're looking at the levels 11,503 and 11,495, because we can see the market pull back up to this level for a potential retest and then have a continuation down to the downside. Based on that, we are inside the daily Fibonacci, where we do expect the market to reverse. The market is usually just consolidating before you see the market actually changing the direction. And when we're looking at BTC at the moment, we are retesting this previous resistance around 21,200 or $300. And if we're just zooming out on the charts, this is where we will see if the market starts to reverse the trend or if we're continuing to higher targets. If BTC is moving to higher targets, first of all, we're looking at this previous high that we also have at 22,580, and we're also looking at 24,495. I am using the high from 21,475 and also the support at $20,600. And as long as we are inside this sideways market, we can still see the market consolidate in between these levels. So the most important levels that I'm looking at right now on BTC, if I don't want to trade inside the sideways market, is that we need to break above 21,470. And if the market is reversing down, we need to break in this moment 20,595, because this is the support and resistance zone in the sideways market that we'll have for BTC at the moment. But overall, the market is very volatile to the upside. And if we're looking at the daily, we have some big momentum, but the market is giving us 1, 2, 3 candlestick for 3 days. The market has been very slow. And once again, this is the reason why we need to look at the lower time frames, because on the lower time frames, this is where you'll see the break of structure before the big momentum is happening. If we're looking at Ethereum, I want to do the same thing, but what I want to do instead is that I want to use the resistance at 15,000 $1,080 or $90, and this is also where we can continue to see the market on Ethereum consolidate between the support at 1,510 and 1,585. If we are zooming out, we have the exact same scenario, retesting the resistance around 1,600 at the moment. And remember, overall, this is also a sideways market. So we have a sideways market on the lower time frames, and we also have the sideways market on the higher time frames, and we are retesting the resistance. And what usually happens, the last time we saw the market retested this level, you saw the market give us the bounce to the downside. I just want to zoom in and see the last time we saw the market was inside here, and this is the exact same thing that you can see. The market is usually just going sideways. The market did create the higher lows, the higher low, and then eventually what did happen? The market did break below all of the levels. We saw the market retested the resist and the support from below, and this is what we can expect happen on this side. If you were looking at the previous chart that we just saw, you could see how the market was just going back and forth around this level before you saw the market have the big momentum. So this is definitely something that we can continue to expect the market do on both Ethereum and on Bitcoin, potentially on NAS also, is that we're just going to see the market have the sideways movement before we see the actual trend happening once again. If you are someone that only wants to trade cryptocurrencies, then Bybit is the right place for you. This is one platform that I am trading on when it comes to this. And the difference between Bybit and Prime XPT is that Bybit has lower fees while you're holding your positions for a longer time. But on Bybit, it's only cryptocurrencies. You have zero fees when it comes to spot pairs right now, and you have up to $30,030 that you can receive right now in bonus. Thank you everyone for looking at this video together with me. Hope you did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notifications so you know when I am live later today, because we're gonna go in for another New York session. We're gonna see how much we can add to this account. Have a great day, everyone. I love you.